Our trucks are made for the road. That's why we make sure that they remain in operation for as long as possible, just like our customers do. That is why we work every day to avoid downtime, just like our customers do. That is why our responsibility does not end with the sale of a truck. It begins with it. Wear and tear is becoming more and more predictable. Even now, we can better plan maintenance and service appointments in advance. But should, against all expectations, an unpredicted failure occur, you're not alone. With the help of the MAN Driver app, you can easily report the issue. A phone call to one of our service agents is automatically established.
MAN Service Mobile 24, how may I assist you? Yes, I can see all of the information about your vehicle. What kind of problem do you have?
MAN Service Mobile 24 immediately forwards your case to the nearest service center. This is where all of the available data on the vehicle and possible fault come together. With this, the workshop can quickly identify the cause and have the right tool or spare part to hand, even before the mechanic has seen the vehicle. This is how we ensure as quickly as possible that the truck is back where it belongs, on the road. Now might be the moment where the story comes to its end, but it is not. We are learning from the past. With the help of artificial intelligence, our MAN ServiceCare Center can soon minimize downtime even further.
MAN Service Care Center speaking. A defect has been predicted on your vehicle. One of our MAN employees is on his way to you.
And further. Just like our customers.